children, welcome back to the online computer class at BMS School at Home. Children, in the last class we learned creating tables in Word 2016, isn't it? So in that we learned two main topics, that are creating a table and modifying a table, isn't it? So under creating a table we learned how to using a grid to create a table, and using the insert table option how to create a table, and using the quick access tool drawing a custom table, and converting text to a table, then entering data in a cell, selecting a row or a column, selecting adjacent cell in a table. So these are the topics, subtopics we learned under how to creating a table. Then next we learned how to modifying a table, isn't it? So in that we learned how to insert or deleting rows or column or cell, and also we learned how to merge and split cells. Okay, so in today's class we are going to see about formatting a table. Okay, so here the subtopics are table style, changing row height, changing column width, applying border and shading, changing the alignment of text, inserting picture in a table cell. Okay, so these are the subtopics today we are going to learn. Okay, now let us see. So children, what is formatting? Yes, formatting means after you can create a table like this, you can format it. Okay, so that means applying different styles or changes the row height or column width, or apply border and shading. Okay, formatting means you can apply different styles to this table, or increase the row height or width, apply a border or shading to this table. Okay, now let us see how to apply all the styles one by one. Okay, so first we are going to see the table style. Okay, so for that first you have to go to the table tools. Okay, it is under this design tab. Okay, so first click this design tab. Okay, here you can see the different table styles, isn't it? Black and white and color, many things. Okay, so which one you need, you have to select select that one, and you have to click it. Okay, so when I am keeping the mouse on all this style, it will come here. Okay, look at this, when I am keeping this it will come like this. Okay, so now I am going to select this one. Okay, so look at this, I chose this table style. Okay, so as per your wish you can select any other. Okay children, so how to select a table style? Go to design tab, in that you can see the table style option, then you can select it and you can click, it will come like this. Okay, then changing the row height. Okay, changing the row height, so which row or which column you want to change, first you have to select this. Okay, now I am going to select the first row. Okay, then after that you have to go to layout tab. Okay, here you can see the layout tab. Okay, so click this layout tab, and next you can see in this cell size group, you can see the height and width of the table. Okay, so default the table height is now the default table height is 0.5 centimeter, and the width is 16.89 centimeter. Okay, now I am going to increase this height of this first row. Okay, so look at this, when I am going to increase this table size, it will increase here. Okay, the table row size, and if I want to increase the width also, so increase, but I am don't need to, I am not going to increase this table width, only I am going to increase the table height. Okay children, so if you want to increase the table width or height, go to this layout tab, and here in this cell size group you can see the width and height of the table. Okay, the next children, we are going to see applying border and shading in this table. Okay, applying border and shading. So you have to go to this design tab, and you can see the border and shading options. Okay, the border and shading under this border group and table style group. Okay, so first we are going to set the border for this table. So click this drop down arrow, and if you need the bottom border, or if you need the top border, or no border. Okay, so which one you want to apply border, first you have to select this. Okay, I'm going to select the whole table because I want to apply the border for this whole table. Okay, so now select this and apply all border. Okay, now the table border style is, I'm going to fix this one. Border painter, thick line or thin line or wave line, it will ask like this. Okay, then shading. Okay, so shading also you can select this and you can give the different colors. Okay, now I am going to select the first row, so I am going to change the color of the first row. Okay, okay children, so how to change the border, how to apply the border and shading to the table? Yes, go to the design tab. In that you can see the border and shading option under the border group and table styles group. Then according to your wish you can select the shading and border styles. Okay, the next we are going to see changing the alignment of the text. Okay, so changing the alignment of the text, click this layout tab, and you can see in this alignment group you can see the left alignment, align top center, align top right, then align center left, align center, then align center right, align bottom right, align bottom center, align bottom left. Okay, so I am going to apply this one, align center. Okay, so just click this, so your text will appear at the center. Okay children, so how to changing the alignment of the text? Yes, go to this layout tab, and in this alignment group you can choose the text alignment you want. Okay, the next one, inserting picture in a table. Okay, so here first one you see the name. Okay, so the uses of name is, it is used to treat worms. Now I am going to insert the picture of the name. Okay, so first step you have to click this insert tab. Okay, here you can see the insert tab, so you have to click this insert tab. In that illustration group, click the picture option. Okay, which group you can click the picture option? Illustration group, click the picture option. Okay, so here you can see the name picture, so just click this and you can click this insert option, so the name picture is appear here. Okay, so why it come here means I am not selecting the correct place, so delete this and where you want to insert, just keep the mouse pointer there. Look at this, I kept the mouse pointer here so that the picture came here. Okay, so now you have to keep the mouse pointer here and go to this insert tab. In the illustration group, click the picture and click it. The file name is appear here, then click insert. Okay, so according to this table row and size, you can increase or decrease the size of the picture. Okay, so the name picture is inserted. Okay, next I am going to insert the garlic picture. Okay, so what is the uses of garlic? It is used as an antibiotic. Okay, so the first step, you have to keep the mouse pointer here, that means where you want to insert the picture. So keep the mouse pointer in that particular place, then go to this insert tab. In the illustration group, you can click the picture and click the picture which one you want to insert. So the file name is coming here, then next click insert. Okay, then according to the table row or size, you can adjust the picture. Okay children, so do you now you understood how to create a table and how to applying a border and shading, and how to insert a text, and how to insert a picture, and how to align the text, and how to increase the table row, table height and table width. Okay, so these all are called table formatting. Okay, so what is formatting a table? Yes, we can apply different styles, changing the row height and column width, or apply border and shading. Okay, so once again I'm going to repeat this, listen carefully. So how to apply the table style? Yes, go to this design tab and you can see the different table style, isn't it? So which one you need, you have to select it and apply it. Okay, the next, how to change the table row and height? Select the particular row you want to increase the width and height of the row. Then in this layout tab, you can see in the cell size group the width and height of the table, and you can increase as your wish. Okay, the table height and width. The next, how to apply the border and shading. Okay, so go to the design tab and you can see under the border group and table styles group, you can see the shading and borders tool. Okay, so you can click this and apply this border, and you can click the shading to fill the color. Okay, the next, how to change the alignment of the text. So go to this layout tab and you can see in this alignment group many alignment option, and which one you need, you have to select this and you can use it. Okay, then at the last, how to insert a picture, okay, in a table cell. So in that, you have to go to insert option, and you in this illustration group, you can see the picture option. So click this picture and you want to insert which picture, you have to select this. So the file name is coming here and click insert option. Okay, so where, remember this, where you want to insert any picture or any applying a border or style or alignment, first you have to select that place and you have to apply the border and shading or insert a picture or align the picture. Okay children, okay, now we are going to look at some question answers related to this unit. Okay, so lesson 6, creating tables in Word 2016. Answer the following. What is a cell in a table? What is a cell in a table? A cell is a rectangular box found at the intersection of a column or and a row. A cell is a rectangular box formed at the intersection of a column and a row. Second question, how can you select adjacent cell in a table? How can you select adjacent cell in a table? To select adjacent cell in a table, click and drag through the cell. The answer is to select adjacent cell in a table, click and drag through the cell. Third question, name the tab and the group that has the option to change the column width. Change the tab and the group that has the option to change the column width. To change the column width, click the Layout tab under Table Tools in the group of cell size. To change the column width, you have to click the Layout tab under the Table Tools in the group of cell size. Okay, that means in the cell size, under the cell size group. Okay. Fourth question, how can you split a cell into two rows? How can you split a cell into two rows? Click the cell in the table tools, click the layout tab, then in the image group, click the split cells option. Then at the last you have to insert specified two rows, then click OK. Okay. Once again, click the cell in the table tools, click the layout tab, then in the image group, click the split cells option. In that specified two rows, then click OK. Fifth question, name the tab that has option to merge cells in a row. Name the tab that has option to merge cells in a row. The layout tab has the option to merge cells in a row. The layout tab has the option to merge cells in a row. Okay, children? So children, in today's class we learned how to formatting a table. In that we learned the different table style and how to change the row height and width and how to apply a border and shading to the particular table and how to changing the alignment of the text and how to insert a picture in a table cell. Okay, so these are the things we learned in today's class. Okay, and also we learned some question answers related to this unit, that means creating a table in Word 2016. Okay, so children, if you have computer you can practice this. Okay, so this is the end of today's class, children. Bye and happy learning.